Amazon Flex tells you what you'll earn before you accept a delivery block, while Instacart earnings can change after an order is completed because customer tips may be adjusted. That difference alone makes Amazon Flex the more predictable option for many drivers. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform offers more reliable pay, what causes earnings to change, and which one fits different work styles. Here's the short answer first. If reliable income is your top priority, Amazon Flex usually has the advantage because each delivery block shows an estimated payout before you accept it. Once you've finished the block according to the requirements, your earnings are generally consistent with what was offered. Instacart works differently. Before accepting a batch, you'll see the expected total, including customer tips. The base pay is fixed for that batch, but tips may change after delivery if the customer adjusts them. That means the amount you expected when accepting the order is not always the amount you finally receive. The type of work also affects how predictable your day will be. Amazon Flex drivers normally complete scheduled delivery blocks that last for a set period. During that block, you'll deliver packages assigned by Amazon. You know your route starts within a scheduled window, and you don't have to wait for individual customer orders throughout the day. Instacart shoppers choose grocery batches as they become available. Some days you'll see plenty of high-paying orders. Other days you may spend time waiting for worthwhile batches to appear. Your earnings depend on local demand, competition from other shoppers, store inventory, and customer tipping behavior. Expenses matter too. Both platforms require you to cover your own fuel, vehicle maintenance, and taxes as an independent contractor. Grocery shopping on Instacart may also involve more time walking through stores, communicating with customers about substitutions, and checking out before making the delivery. Amazon Flex focuses more on picking up packages and completing delivery routes. So which one pays more reliably in 2026? Amazon Flex is the better choice if you value consistent, predictable earnings and prefer knowing the expected payout before you begin working. Instacart can produce excellent days when demand and customer tips are strong, but your final earnings are naturally less predictable because tips can change and batch availability varies. The bottom line is simple. Amazon Flex wins for dependable pay. Instacart offers more flexibility and the possibility of higher paying batches, but with more income variability. If you're deciding between them, try both in your local market for a few weeks and compare your actual hourly earnings after fuel costs. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest gig app comparisons.